Hey, paring Danir, tuturo ko sa inyo. I thought I saw a pussycat. I thought I saw your face today by... Sino to? She and him. Alright, chords guitar tutorial. Maraming chords ito. Pero nakakatuwa. Ang sarap pakinggan. Let's go. I thought I saw your face today. Gets? Down, up, down, up, down. Ayan, yung pinakasimpleng strumming. So, ang mahalaga yung paano mo ililipat yung bilang. Okay? So, mag-start tayo sa unang pattern. Ito ang unang pattern para dun sa pagpasok ng verse. I thought I saw your face today. A minor. 1 and 2 and lipat. D. 1 and 2 and lipat. G. 1 and 2 and B diminished. 2 counts ng 2 counts. Yun ang unang pattern na pag-aaralan mo. A minor, D, G, B diminished. Paano ka ba mag-B diminished? Ganito? Mas madali ito. Okay? So, yun. Dalawang beses siya. Isa pa. And then, ito, another pattern. Ano lang, papalitan mo lang yung B diminished. Magiging E. So, A minor, D, G, E. Ayan. And then, kakanta na ng parang ito yung chorus yata eh. And I couldn't help but fall in love again. Ayan. Papasok na yan. So, ito naman, ito yung pattern niya. C, C minor, G, and then E. Okay? Ito susunod, mawawala ang E. Kasi habaan niya ang G. No, I couldn't help but fall in love again. Ganon, nawala yung E. So, again, and I couldn't, umpisa na natin sa una. A minor, I thought, this is a dream. A minor, D, G, E. Yeah, and I couldn't C minor, G, E. And then C minor, mahabang G. I saw a glitter. Ito, ulit sa verse. Ganun din. Okay? Ganun din. Verse nga eh. Tapos, another, and I couldn't have. Ganun pa rin. All along again. Okay? Ganun pa rin. Tapos, C minor, G. Ito yung mababago. Parang dagdag part. Ano bang tawag dito? Coda. Ewan ko. Basta another part na pag-aaralan mo yung pattern. The cars and freeways implore me to stay. Yan. So, yan ay C minor, B minor, tapos B major. Yan yung unang part. Okay? The cars and freeways implore me to stay away out of this place. My mother's the cars and freeways implore me to stay away out of this place. Ganon. Alright, anong chord? C minor, B minor, B major. And then C minor, G diminish, B diminish. Okay, yun ang kaduksong nun. And then, as it lays and play as it lays. A minor, D7. Yun ang pinakang kabuuan yan. Yung panibagong part na yan, panibagong pattern na yan. Again, the cars everywhere minor, B major, C minor, G, B diminished, and then A minor, D7, and then, ano na to? Interlude. Itong interlude, ano to? Parang ano lang, parang verse. A minor, D. Di ba may ganun yan? A minor, D, G, E. Tapos, C minor, G, E, parang chorus. C minor, G. Ano ulit? The Cars and Freeways after niyang interlude. The Cars and Freeways. Okay? Ano na? Play it as it lays, and then I somehow see what's beautiful. So, parang verse. Okay, parang verse. Ngayon, patapos na tayo. Pagkatapos itong verse na ito, pagkatapos ito, in the world, no, I couldn't have. Yan, tapos na yung kanta. Fade out na to. So, ito, puro ganun lang ang pattern. C minor, G, E. I couldn't have but fall in love again. I couldn't have but fall in love again. Alright? Paano mo tatapusin? Ikaw na mag-isip niyan. No, I couldn't have but fall in love again. Pwede. Tapusin mo sa G. Alright? Yun. She and him. I saw your face. I thought I saw your face today. Bye. Enjoy.